This is a first look at the Asus Vivobook S15 S532 with the screenpad. So it has the Face ID scanner thing here, and this is the i7 model with 12 gigabytes of RAM. And this does have a Indian layout as well as some Indian words. This was refurbished, so the screen is pretty thin, so I do like that. Two USBs on the left side, and on the right, micro SD headphone USB-C, HDMI, and another USB-A. So here is a demonstration of the screen pad. There is 2 resolutions and 2 refresh rates. There is a like 500-ish resolution as well as a 1080 resolution, and there's a 50 and 60 hertz refresh rate. This is on the highest of both, and you can just drag any window down into this touchpad, and it does have a tablet style interface, like an Android-ish looking interface, and it has many apps, and you can just use any app and just bring it right back up into the normal screen. Now, as for the power brick powering this laptop, it's really not that big. It's about the size of an iPad charger. Here is the voltage. This is how big it is compared to my hand. Really not that big at all.